Linked data is one of the key components of the semantic web, the notion of a large-scale machine-comprehensible web of data sitting alongside and complementing the existing human-readable web. The usual standard for linked data is the Resource Description Framework, or RDF. The aim of linked data is to support a web of data and so, like the human-readable web, is designed around the idea that anyone can publish data without any centralization, and importantly, that once published, data can be consumed by anyone who knows where to find it. However, there are issues with centralized linked data publishing, including availability and mutability. A particular dataset is only available to be queried provided that its hosting data store remains available online. The contents of a dataset may also be changed at any time, with no inherent means for clients to determine when this has happened. For some uses of linked data, it is important to know that the data has not been modified, or that it corresponds to a particular version of the dataset. So we basically want to see if we can use blockchain technologies to provide distributed data storage and query processing, while maintaining guarantees of data integrity against corruption or tampering. We think these approaches can be particularly useful in domains such as medicine, engineering, and scientific data publishing, where data integrity can be of critical importance and where distributed access to data would provide benefits in terms of availability and reliability. For many of our experiments, we are going to be using a linked data fragment server. Linked data fragments is a conceptual framework that provides a uniform view on all possible interfaces to RDF, by observing that each interface partitions the dataset into its own specific kind of fragments. We have installed our own copy of a linked data fragment server, and for many experiments we have extended base data source types in order to integrate with IPFS and the Ethereum blockchain. For all our data to date, we have been using DPpedia linked data as a data source.